Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a twist out using As I Am products. I will be using their leave-in conditioner followed by the twist defining cream. I have already applied the leave-in conditioner to the back section of my freshly washed and conditioned hair, and right here you see that I section off a smaller section, and I will begin to apply the twist defining cream, and then I will be doing my 2-strand twist. And the products that I use in this video will be listed in the description box below. Be sure to detangle your hair whenever necessary so your twist will be nice and smooth, and that also means when you take the twist apart it will still be nice and smooth with less frizz. And I am going to do this 2-strand twist, and once I get to the bottom of the twist I will twirl it around my finger just to keep the twist nice and secure while it is drying. The video is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to leave you to watch for a little while and then I will be back. I am now down to my final twist, and because I do have low porosity hair, I will sit under a hooded dryer for an hour just to kickstart the drying process, because for me it normally takes 48 hours for my hair to get completely dry if I do not sit under the hooded dryer for a little while. And then I let my hair air dry overnight. And then the next day, once my hair is completely dry, I apply an oil to my fingers, and then I begin to take apart my twist, and then I continue separating and fluffing with my wide tooth comb until I get the desired look that I prefer, and then the style will be complete. So overall, my thoughts on this product is it gave me good definition and soft and moisturized curls, but it didn't give me a strong enough hold. I prefer a product that will give me a hold. So if I try this product again, I will be using it with a gel or a mousse, something that could give me like a medium hold. So anyway, the curls lasted me 3 to 4 days before I began to retwist at night. I retwisted it at night for the next 3 nights, so the style did last me an entire week. And I hope my video was helpful. And if you enjoyed my video, could you please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for all of my future videos. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day.